guys, welcome back to DIY by EVI. Today's DIY is this vanity for a man. If you like this man's vanity, please continue to watch. Okay, so the items that you will actually need for this DIY is spray paint if your shelf is not already the color that you want it to be. These little lights along with the candle holder, I got it from the Dollar Tree, ended up not even using it, so that's just extra. You will need batteries for your vanity light. The batteries and the vanity light, I got them from the Dollar Tree. You will need an acrylic holder. It's up to you if you use this acrylic holder, but I got it from the Dollar Tree. These little sticky words, I got them from the Dollar Tree as well, and I just use them as words of wisdom. And then the actual shelf, I got it from the thrift store. The mirror, I actually picked it up from the thrift store as well. It was actually gold, and I painted it black. I'm just going to go ahead and take it off the wall since I already nailed it on the wall, just so you guys can actually see me starting from scratch. But basically, the basic items that you need for this DIY is just a mirror, a shelf, some sticky words if you want that, but definitely a vanity light. These items you can pretty much pick from the Dollar Tree or the thrift store. So it's very cheap, very, very affordable DIY. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and spray paint my shelf black since it was that cherry wood color. And this tarp that you actually see me lay down, I got it from the Dollar Tree, of course. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put all of the items together and create this vanity. I'm going to get my boyfriend to help me put up the shelf and let him do his thing after I actually finish putting up the shelf and put the items that he wants on his vanity. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add the words to the around the vanity just so he can look at it every day and be encouraged.
Somebody calling you. Why your phone on silent like that?
I don't know why.
Take it off.
Girl, shit still got them vibrator, whatever the fuck. Don't start me. Fuck it. You irritating as fuck, bro. And you record me doing this. Why?
Because it's a man's vanity. Put your brush in your comb and your grease.
But you ain't supposed to like be recording me. What you recording me for?
Put them sunglasses up there.
I get paid for it.
Oh, you gonna get paid, all right?
I don't understand what that means. Help me to understand. Help me to understand. A fucking dog. Play that shit, bro. Yeah, I like that little setup, though. Let's meet up. Now I get to see all them shit.
Babe, do that thing need to go up some more? Is this board leaning a little bit?
No, it's not. It's perfect.
Okay. Don't put it's just your everyday ones, but not all of them.
Why?
Because it's supposed to be a vanity that you can use, brush your hair, look in the mirror. If you got a whole bunch of shit on the
That's not covering nothing. I still can see myself.
Yeah, but where you gonna put your brush and stuff there if you fill that whole thing up with cologne? Where your brush? Sunglasses.
In the car.
And a watch. It's supposed to be everyday stuff that you used to get ready. No, you got sunglasses right there. Put them in there. And what watch do you use? What a black watch right behind there. What you mean the brush in the car? You just use the brush.
What?
Get the brush, babe.
First of all, you said
okay.
sunglasses.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I said you got some right there. What was that noise?
These don't acting like they don't want to stay up here.
That's what you putting up there? Thank you. I love you. Ooh.
Okay, guys, so actually on this sticky words that I had, they had some other words in there that I was not going to use. Like one of them had like girl in it and a kiss or some lips or whatever. And then the other one just had some other words that I was not going to use. So I'm just saying all this to say, if you find some sticky words and they're not really saying what you want them to say, then just kind of get like 2 or 3 and mix it up so it can say exactly what you want it to say. You don't have to find an actual phrase and then use just that phrase. You can go and pick up multiple ones and then mix up the words together.
Who, Roro? Oh yeah, it's the same one. What's the different one? You think they be dancing, babe?
That kind of music, yeah, you dance. You don't hear that techno shit?
Yep.
You can listen to that shit. Think about it now. People move to the beat of the song they listen to.
Yeah, you ain't lying.
So imagine that beat.
All right, baby, wanna come look at it?